In this quick guide, you'll learn how to track your order on Wolt with ease, whether you're eagerly waiting for your meal to arrive or just curious about its progress. Tracking your order through the Wolt app is straightforward and efficient. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, to track your order on Wolt, you'll need to open the Wolt app on your smartphone. Once you have the app open, make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't logged in already, simply enter your credentials to access your account. This will help ensure that all your orders are visible and ready to be tracked. After logging in, navigate to the orders section. This is where you'll find a list of all your current and past orders. Locate the active order that you're interested in tracking. This is usually listed at the top if it's the most recent one. Once you select the order, you'll be taken to a detailed page specifically for that order. On this order details page, you'll see live updates about your order. This includes the preparation status, so you'll know if your food is being prepared, packed, or ready to be picked up by the delivery driver. It's a great way to stay in the loop and manage your expectations about when the order might arrive. Additionally, if tracking is available for your particular order, you'll also have the option to view the delivery driver's location on a map. This feature provides a real-time view of where the driver is, helping you gauge how close they are to your delivery address. It's a handy tool for planning your time around the delivery. Keep in mind that Wolt will also send notifications to your device to keep you updated on your order status. These notifications can include updates about when your food is out for delivery or if there are any unexpected delays. So even if you're not actively checking the app, you'll still receive essential updates. And there you have it. That's how to track your order on Wolt. It's a simple process designed to keep you informed every step of the way. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're always in the know about your delivery, making the waiting process a little more enjoyable. Thanks for watching and happy ordering.